Welcome to Dhaka Caps and More, a premier destination for high-quality headwear manufacturers in Bangladesh. Since 2016, Dhaka Caps and More, with our seasoned team, has been unwavering in our commitment to providing premium quality products at affordable prices. Our manufacturing unit is equipped with Japanese, South Korean, and Chinese machinery, enabling us to produce over 150,000 caps monthly. We manufacture various types of caps, such as baseball caps, snapback caps, trucker mesh caps, dad hats, bucket hats, flexifit caps, distressed caps, hybrid caps, reversible bucket hats, sun visor, brimless caps, newsboy caps, pillbox caps, camper caps, leather caps, knit caps, and different types of kid caps. Stay with us to know how we manufacture your caps from scrap to your doorstep. Once again, greetings to Dhaka Caps and More. At Dhaka Caps and More, our commitment to quality extends beyond manufacturing to include impeccable storage solutions. All necessary accessories are available in our storage. Our team conducts regular quality checks to ensure there are no defects or damages, and then sends reports to the buyer and merchandising team. At Dhaka Caps and More, the cutting process begins by taking the fabrics to the table and hanging them on the roller. Our team inspects the fabrics carefully and measures them. Later, they are folded several times, clipped, and placed on the lay table. This process fastens and smoothens the cutting operation, enabling us to increase the production line of our factory. The fabric is cut with tailoring scissors, a band knife, and a hand knife for their respective pieces. The fabrics and interlining are correctly matched manually. This process requires time and precision for ensure utmost quality. Afterward, the fusing machine combines the fabric with interlining to make a solid piece. The hydraulic press cutting machine uses pre-measured iron dice for different caps profiles, allowing it to cut fabrics with unparalleled precision. Our skilled staff operate this machine efficiently, completing the cutting process in a concise amount of time. Fabric is carefully transported to the sewing area. Here the actual work on Dhaka Caps and More begins. The first operation in the sewing area is constructing the panel, which initiates both single front and single back sewing operations. Every stitch is placed with care, ensuring durability and perfection. The parts are then stacked neatly and inspected individually to guarantee they meet our rigorous quality standards. The following operations involve making the front double and back double and attaching the base tape to the panels. The needlework on every item reflects the highest quality. The gemmary has been a critical component in our cap manufacturing process. It is a binding process for the back panels, and completion of this process results in a finalized panel. We use bar tack sewing machines to make the air holes in headwear, also called iris, crafted in a distinct section of our factory. Printing section involves designing, developing DTP and printing screens for each design and color, mixing colors thoroughly, and applying them to fabrics. Cap base tape printing is also done at Dhaka Caps and More. Our team uses a heat press machine for long-lasting, durable prints, and an automatic heat press for printing stickers. The caps are inspected before being sent to the next operation. Our factory has a dedicated embroidery section that uses advanced software, such as Wilcom. The process begins with an inspection by a section officer, then transfers to our machines. These machines have the ability to stitch multicolor options with high speed. After embroidery, our quality control team inspects each cap by hand, removing excess threads with a thread cutter, giving us the opportunity to make our product satisfactory and elegant. The crown section begins with the precise sewing of the single side. The front panel is carefully attached to the left side, and the right side is securely connected to the back panel. The second operation involves the side double. Our expert operators execute these operations with the utmost accuracy and care, ensuring high-quality results. Head join is the most crucial part of the crown assembly. Following the head join, the crown double operation commences, utilizing a double needle machine to sew the caps. Next, the inch tape is joined with the crown. Our staff have developed exceptional proficiency in this process, completing it quickly and with the highest degree of accuracy. Furthermore, the bucket of the hat is crafted by our stuffs. With their great skill and dedication, they can easily complete this operation with accuracy. After completion, the ready crown is sent to the assembly area, where it is joined to the visor. The visor operation begins with the creation of upper visor and under visor fabric joint. Our dedicated team aligns two fabrics and sews them with the utmost care and precision. This initial step is critical, as it sets the foundation for the quality and durability of the visor. Next, the board visors are carefully inserted into the sewn fabrics. Each board is meticulously placed in the correct position, ensuring consistency and quality. Following the insertion of the boards, the next step is to close the mouth of the visor. This operation is pivotal in giving the visor its proper definition and shape. The next phase involves aligning the rows. Each row is sewn with extreme precision, demonstrating our team's sewing skills and expertise. Seemingly the bucket hat visor row is manufactured by Dhaka Caps and More expertise. Finally, excess fabrics from the visor is removed and stack them up for the next process. The assembly is the last process of the sewing section. It begins with the visor join operation, during which our skilled team attaches the previously crafted crown to the visor. We use the Kansai machine to make CBD. After the CBD is created, it is carefully sewn onto the crown. This step requires utmost precision, as any slight misalignment can affect the overall balance and appearance of the cap. Then, we label the operator team, attaching unique labels to each cap for custom buyers. Dhaka Caps and More have a dedicated team to make the adjusters. These individual teams create the adjusters, which are later sewn to the cap by our expert sewists. The final stage in the assembly process is the top swing operation, which provides the cap with added rigidity and strength. This step is executed on various caps to enhance their design and durability, resulting in a finished product. Finally, we use the bar tack machine to do the bar tack on the back side of the cap. Cap is only ready to be delivered to our customers with the finishing section. At Dhaka Caps and More, a series of processes are performed in this section. The excess threads are being cut manually with a thread cutter. Our factory has many skilled thread cutting staff for this job. Our expert team also makes and joins the cap button, using laser-guided button making and joining machines to ensure perfect placement. Our factory consists of a decent number of button fixing machine and buckle join machine, allowing us to accelerate our production. Sententiously, another team of Dhaka Caps and More places the grommet on the back of the cap with a grommet press machine. Later the buckles are placed with the help of a hydraulic pressing machine. Another section is fully dedicated to testing the adjuster. Any mismatch might result in rejection from this section. Every cap must be ironed before delivery. Our team uses a customized iron machine with a particular iron mold to perfectly smooth the cap's fabrics and give them an appropriate shape. After the cap is ironed, it's time for the final quality check on the final table, where a QC does its best to ensure the cap is flawless. Afterward, we use pressurized hydro cleaner to remove torn thread, dust, and unnecessary particles from the cap. All the caps are finally ready and arranged in a very satisfying order so that you will understand our quality and dedication when you open the box. The pile of caps is carefully placed in a poly bag, then to an inner carton. The small carton nicely taped up. Later the inner carton is again placed in a master carton. Each master carton consists of 6 inner cartons. With adhesive tape, the box is nicely closed and fully sealed, ready to be delivered. Our packing system is durable for any kind of shipping. No matter where you are, these packages will reach you without any damage. Dhaka Caps and More believes in quality, commitment and reliability. We deliver our caps by air flight and cargo system based on our buyers' requirements. Dhaka Caps and More conducts all marketing, merchandising and official works at our corporate office. All executive works are carried out at this location while ensuring a friendly atmosphere. Dhaka Caps and More cares about the stuffs and officials as equal as a potential buyer or client. Our corporate office is located at Sector 9, Road 3, House 37, Uttara, Dhaka, while our factory is situated at Level 3, House 49, Block D, North Rajbari, Churag, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Whether you're a potential partner, a valued client, or simply interested in learning more about our operations, we are always eager to offer you a first-hand look at our facilities.